obesity problem. The diet industry spends millions upon millions of dollars every year trying to convince us they have the solution to our weight issues. The problem is that hundreds of CEOs don't actually want you to lose weight. People who lose weight rapidly don't keep coming back to buy more of their products. If their systems worked as effectively as possible, it would surely put a dent in their multi-billion-dollar profits. Now, I've been in the fitness industry since 1999. In that time, I've read just about every diet book, weight loss guide, clinical trial, and medical study that has to do with weight loss, and I'm here to tell you that there is an absolute ton of bad information floating around out there. One obesity doctor named Alwyn Lewis proposed the 5-bite diet, where dieters only take 5 bites at lunch and dinner of any food they want. This is a medically trained professional suggesting that eating 5 bites of ice cream and 5 bites of brownies a day is an ideal way to ensure weight loss. You don't need a degree to know this is not healthy or effective. That's just someone using their credentials to make money and book an appearance on the Dr. Oz show. I'm proud to say I use my expertise to help others, not to get rich and famous. If you've been suckered into following bad advice, it's not your fault. More importantly, you can fix it today. Number 2, you're suffering from cellular inflammation. Cellular inflammation is not only the culprit of weight gain, it's also responsible for increasing the onset of disease and shorter lifespans. Most diets ignore the problem of cellular inflammation. By controlling this issue, you can effectively increase your ability to lose weight, burn fat, increase metabolism, and keep body fat from coming back. Plus, it can help you to live a healthier and longer life. Here's the thing about inflammation. About 2/3 of the body's defenses are in your gastrointestinal or GI tract. Now, when you eat the wrong foods, including bad foods that are passed off as being healthy, they eventually wreak havoc on your defenses. When your defenses break down, inflammation gets the upper hand. Once inflammation takes over, your body stores more fat and can't burn fat as fast as it should. This information comes from frontline medical research by honest doctors like Dr. Alessio Fasano at Harvard University. Now, if you've had trouble losing weight in the past, it's very likely that you're suffering from chronic cellular inflammation. You're probably not even aware of it. My 2-week diet system helps you take control of that inflammation, and the effect on your body is noticeable almost instantly. Number 3, you're counting calories or focusing on eating less and exercising more. Conventional wisdom tells us to believe that weight loss is simply a matter of eating less and exercising more. Unfortunately, they've already convinced most of us this is the best strategy. But this is poor science, or at the very least, not the best science, and more doctors are becoming aware of this. The eat less, exercise more approach is an oversimplified answer to a very complex question, and it fails to take into account your body's hormones, which have a major impact on your weight. It's a fact your body does not treat all calories the same. Certain calories make us fat, and other calories prevent us from burning fat. But there are a few really good calories that actually force your body to burn fat. So the key to weight loss is not counting calories. This is evident by the obesity problem we have here in the U.S. Weight loss has much more to do with eliminating the bad calories while increasing the good calories, using a strategic system that's easy to follow. Number 4, you're not seeing results for all of the effort you're putting forth. A woman struggling with weight loss came to me recently. She had tried 3 different diets